Beneath this lonely rock, a mother takes her final breaths. Her innocent kittens, unaware, still searching for her warmth. Will help arrive in time? Or will their tiny world fade into darkness? Just when all hope seemed lost, a kind hand reached out. A soft towel, a breath of air, and the will to fight back. The mother, weak but still holding on, gets her first chance at survival. Her eyes flicker open, tired but alive. A gentle touch reassures her, and her little ones gather around, sensing the warmth of hope for the first time.